All eyes were on Monica Lewinsky at the premiere of Impeachment, American crime story in West Hollywood on September 1st. Monica Lewinsky, 48, commanded attention as she graced the blue carpet at the premiere for Impeachment, American crime story at the Pacific Design Center in West Hollywood on Wednesday, September 1st. The former White House intern, who's played by Beanie Feldstein in the series about Bill Clinton's 1998 impeachment, rocked the red, pink and blue mini dress for the special occasion. The activist's dress had a patriotic feel, which seems fitting for the 10-episode anthology that she actually served as a producer on. Monica accessorized her look with leopard-print heels with chains around the ankles, and she's honestly never looked better. Related gallery. Monica Lewinsky's younger years, photos of infamous former White House intern then and now. As for Beanie, she wore a pink and red Brandon Maxwell dress covered with kisses. Whether or not that was an ode to scandal, we'll never know, but what we do know is that Beanie looked incredible. She paired her sundress with red silk sandals with platform heels, earrings and a diamond pinky ring. She also styled her brown hair to one side and highlighted her cheekbones with light pink blush, while topping off her look with shimmering eyeshadow. Honestly, both of their looks are just as exciting as we think the show will be. In a recent interview with The Hollywood Reporter, Monica revealed that as a producer on the series, she insisted on including a scene that will feature her flashing her thong to President Clinton, played by Clive Owen. Listen, I would have loved to have been really selfish and said, "That's great that you guys think we don't have to show that, fantastic. But I'm incredibly experienced in understanding how people see this story," she said. Monica also explained that the thong flashing moment, which was featured in a roundup of allegations against President Clinton that lead to his impeachment, was a vital part of story. So, ultimately, I felt two things: one was that I shouldn't get a pass because I'm a producer, and two, that it was unfair to the team and to the project because it would leave everybody vulnerable. Impeachment, which premieres on FX on September 7th, features a cast that includes Sarah Paulson as Linda Tripp, Anneli Ashford as Paula Jones, Betty Gilpin as Ann Coulter, Margot Martindale as Lucy Ann Goldberg, and Billy Eichner as Matt Drudge.